In this demonstration, we will create a dynamic tag. Log in with SSO, and click Tag Management. Click Add Tag, and select Dynamic Tag. Dynamic tags are automatically applied to endpoints that match filter criteria. Enter the tag name and optional description. In this example, we will create a tag to identify devices with a specific Windows OS install date range. Entering a category is optional, and should be considered in the overall tag management strategy. Click Next. Assign the tag access. Select Organization, Customer, or Site as the search categories. Search for the target organization by entering a term and clicking Search. Access groups are hierarchical, so the selected group and all levels beneath it will be included in the tag. Click on the search results to include and review the tag access selection. Click Next. Filters identify the assets to tag. Click Create Filter. Click the plus sign and select Add Condition or Add Group. In this example, we will click Add Condition. The filter builder defaults to the OS category. Since we are creating a filter for a specific OS, we will keep the default and enter Windows as the value. Click Apply. To add additional criteria, click the plus. We will add filter values for OS install dates within a specific year. Click Apply. The filter appears at the top and displays devices that match the criteria. Click Next. Review the summary, and click Confirm to apply the dynamic tag. Click Done to return to the Tag Management view. To view devices that meet the tag criteria, go to the Assets view. Dynamic tags, shown in purple, automatically apply to assets matching the filter.